Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today's video we're gonna make fried bakes or float. Please stick around and watch this video. First, we're gonna start with 2 cups of all-purpose flour. I already washed my hands, and I have 1 tablespoon of active dry yeast, 1 tablespoon of sugar. This is granulated sugar. 1 tablespoon of baking powder. 1/4 cup of cornmeal. You don't have to add cornmeal if you don't want to. I'm just adding my style to it. We're just gonna combine everything together. And if you want, you can also add a little bit of cinnamon powder. So everything is nice and combined. I'm gonna add my liquid. You can use milk or you can use water. I'm using warm water, preferably lukewarm. And you're just gonna combine this together. You don't want the dough to be too dry, and you don't want it to be soft. So add water. Add the water gradually as you go along. Because you don't want to develop any gluten, so you don't want to knead this. You just want the dough to come together. So basically I use 1/2 cup of lukewarm water with 2 cups of flour. Everything comes together nicely. You want to shape this into a little ball, and then we're going to cover this for at least 30 minutes for the yeast to rise. I'm going to add some oil to the pot, just enough to fry the floats. The oil is heated. Now I'm going to add the dough. You just want to add oil on top of it for the top to cook like this. And when I cook this, fry this for at least 1 minute until you see it start to puff up like this and you get the desired color. So you just keep on coating it with oil, so as the bottom cook, the top will cook too. And as you get your desired color, you're going to take them out. At least 1 to 2 minutes these takes to fry. And you want your heat to be on medium high. Drain off the excess oil. Look at these, beautiful, 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 beautiful. Look, I'm going to repeat the process until all the bakes are done. This is my favorite part of seeing it puffing up. This is what the yeast and the baking powder do to it. Leave me a comment down below and tell me what is your favorite thing to eat with bakes, dumpling or float. I love ackee and saltfish or fried saltfish with mine, or even callaloo and saltfish. I'm also gonna leave the ingredients down in the description, so you can also go and check that out if you didn't get it while I was preparing the floats. The trick to them puffing up too, if you don't let them rest enough, it won't puff up, because the dough needs some time, or the flour needs some time to rest so that it can rise. Okay? And here you have it, guys, my fry bakes or float. If you enjoy watching this video, don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and also leave me a comment down below. So now we're gonna break into it for you guys to see the inside of the bakes. Oh my goodness, this is so airy and moist and soft, as you can see. Look at this. Oh my goodness, guys. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye, guys.